What up guys, in today's video we're going to be creating our own meme coin and getting it listed on the BLUM MEMEPAD. Now I want you to know that creating of meme coin requires some investment in sense of funding and also you putting in some time and effort in order for you to get your meme coin the hype it requires for it to be successful. So if you want to create a meme coin and you have no intention of doing the hype and all that, then I see no reason why you should be creating a meme coin. Anyway, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to get it done and the tools you need in order for you to get it done in this video. So if you're interested in everything I just mentioned right here, right now, you need to stick to this video till the end. Alright, so now in order for you to start creating your own meme coin, you need to have an icon, the icon, or let me say image that represents your meme coin. So you need to have an artwork that you've already created for this icon. All right, so I already created mine, which is a character from a cartoon called Kailu, and the name of this character is called Quack-Quack. I'm going to be creating a meme coin called Quack-Quack. So all I did was just to get the image of Quack-Quack, create a background and write the name. So you need to have an icon as that represents your meme coin, and also you need to have about 0.7 ton in your wallet. That's approximately $4 for gas fee. So once you've gotten everything required for you to be able to create your meme coin, all you have to do is to head over to the meme pad right here, and once you get over to this page, all you need to do is to click on this launch token, which is right above here. You just have to click on this button and it's going to take you to the next page where you'll be able to fill up some form. So right here I'm going to be setting my token info, and the first one is adding an icon. Now this is where you need that image that you've already created earlier on for your meme coin. You just go ahead, upload it, and you are good to go. So I'm going to upload that right here. Now quickly you click on the plus sign, which is right here. Okay, so this is it. I've already designed this earlier on. I made this design myself, so I just decided to use this character as my meme coin just for the sake of this video. All right, all I'm going to do is to go ahead, click on the done right here. Okay, I think that was done, that was successful. All right, I'm just going to write the name over here, the name of my meme coin, which is the Quack-Quack. Right, so this is it. This is my meme coin right here, and the ticker of my meme coin is going to be QQK. All right, so that's going to be the ticker, and the next thing I'm going to write is description right here. All right, I'm just going to write all right, so that's it. I'm just going to keep that for the description for now. Then I'm going to click on continue, go to the next page. All right, so over here you will need to put a banner, but it's optional anyway, it's not compulsory. But if you want to, you can just quickly use the same image you used for your logo, for your icon. All right, I'm just going to choose the same image and just maybe okay right here, do it this way, then it's going to be your banner. I'm just going to click on done. It's going to make your profile looking good also. Now over here, if you have a Telegram chat, you can just put it right here so that anybody that is buying your token can also go straight to that Telegram chat room and maybe communicate with it. You can also add other social media like your X profile. You can add your Instagram profile, or if you have a website for this token that you are creating, you can just put it right here. So like I said earlier on, it is more of you need to do a lot of hyping, social media marketing, so you need all these pages to be there. If you want to create a solid meme coin, they're going to really do fine in the market. All right, anyway, I'm just going to skip all this for now. Maybe later on I might add something, but for now this is just an educational video showing you guys how this thing is being done, how to create your meme coin. So make sure you don't click on this button, you leave it this way, it's off, then you click on continue this way, just click on continue. All right, over here you're going to see 0 done. Now this is where you are going to be investing your own funds by buying part of the token that you are creating. All right, so you have to also buy some of this token and hold in your own wallet before other people can also start buying. So all right, so over here you can buy as low as 0.1 ton worth of this token, and you can see over here, if I buy 0.1 ton worth of the Quack-Quack meme coin, and you can see this is what is worth in the Quack-Quack token. Right here I'm going to be getting about 211,159 of the K token. All right, so over here you can see my balance is showing I have 0.78 ton right here in my wallet, in my ton keeper anyway. So I'm just going to click on continue. All right, it's going to be costing me, I'm going to be paying for gas fee and also the creation of this Quack-Quack meme coin. I'm going to be spending about 0.70 ton on this. All right, now if you check over here, you can see this is the price for one coin in US dollars, 0.00000028. all right, so that's the price right now. It's a meme coin that has been created and the total supply is 1 billion. You can see it right here. Now I have bought about 200 and something thousand, 200k plus from this token, so that is why the available balance right here is 799,788,000. all right, so over here is the bonding curve, all right, where you can see 0.01%. now what this is all about is this is where you're going to be seeing how the progression of your token, the way people are buying your meme coins. You're going to be seeing the progression right here, and if your market cap can cross 2.3 thousand and your meme coin was able to accumulate 1,500 tons, then your meme coin will be graduating from here to other decentralized platforms like Dex Screener and some other ones. all right, now we're going to click on launch. all right here. Okay, I'm still going to confirm this transaction in my ton keeper wallet. Right, so I'm just going to accept this, click on it, confirm this. That was successful. It's gone. Now you can see over here it says the token launch will continue in the background. It's safe to close the page. You will get notified when it's ready. all right, so if you follow every single step I showed you in this video, you are going to come to this stage, and this is when you know that your token application has been successful, and you're going to get notified once it is launched. all right, so you can see right here it has already gone live. So my token is live right here. My meme coin is here. You can see the Quack-Quack meme coin is live 1 minute ago. all right, the next thing after creating a meme coin, what you need to do is to market it, is to go to your social media, create a marketing strategy behind it in order for you to get people to buy your meme coins. all right, so right here you can see mine is already, I just created my meme coin, and you can see I'm going to go, let me see if I can check it on that fresh. Let's go on that fresh and see. all right, you can see I am under fresh right here. You can see the Quack-Quack meme coins listed under fresh. Like I said, this is where you can locate brand new meme coins that are being created on the meme pad right here. all right, so guys, this is it. It's as simple as that. You can create your own meme coin with these simple steps I just showed you in this video. Now, one thing I need you to know is creating meme coin doesn't just stop there. The success of the meme coin lies on the hype and the marketing strategy that you have behind this meme coin, because meme coins are basically hype generated tokens. all right, they have nothing really behind backing them up. It's all about the hype. So if you know how to market your token, you're going to get people to buy your token, your meme coin, and you guys are going to make money with it. If a lot of people decide to buy and hold, you guys are going to make money with your meme coin that you just created. all right, so I'm going to leave the link to this meme coin in the description of this video. If you click on it, it will bring you right here. This is where you can actually follow up with this meme coin and see the progression and how it is really growing. all right, so in case people start buying into this meme coin, you are going to notice it by yourself right here. You can follow it up and notice. But as for me, I don't think I'm going to be doing any marketing for this meme coin. I only created it for the sake of this video. But in case you start noticing momentums in the trade, then you should know that people are really buying into it. all right, now it's as simple as that. That is just how you can create your own meme coin and get it listed on the meme pad, on the BLUM MEMEPAD. all right, so if you are the type that would prefer trading meme coins instead of creating and doing all the hard work in order for your meme to get the hype it requires in order for people to start buying into it, if you prefer to just trade meme coins and make some money with it, you should let me know in the comment section of this video. Then I will probably make a video of how you can buy and sell meme coins on the BLUM MEMEPAD right here. If you like what I showed you in this video, give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. I see you guys again in my next video. Bye.